Hey guys, it's Jen. I have, this is just going to really be a quick video. When I did, the last video I posted yesterday, was the prize ribbon embellishments. These little guys. Yeah. So, I wasn't really, I wasn't in a good state of mind and everything. So I kind of, by the time I finished, I felt like I wasn't really finished. So I went back and, or I guess it was 2 days ago I posted it. Because yeah, yesterday I went back and I kind of decorated a little better. So I went through the tags I did and I finished a bunch more. And I kind of embellished them. Like, I mean, by the end of the video, I hadn't even used any like little word stickers or anything. So yeah, so once I looked at them again the next day, then I was much more inspired. So, but first, I need to show you. I wonder if I can fit this in there. These are my crocuses. Normally, I don't pick them. Normally, I leave them in my flower beds. But you know what? I figured I'd bring them in to enjoy them. They're really, really cute, eh? Really pretty. I wish I could get like a more far away shot of them, but yeah. Those are my purple and white crocuses. I had some nice deep yellow ones too, but there were like 3, so I just left them out there. Okay, so the first batch of tags. Ta-da! So these ones are just kind of like my, you know, happy everyday whatever tags. Oh, there we go. Okay. So yeah, we got some kind of like just normal themes and some little cutesy. Like, look at that. I had to use a little duck sticker somewhere because seriously, look at that duck sticker. Yeah, so there's just kind of like a variety of modern kind of designs, like him. Yeah, so I put rhinestones, I put stickers. I did little, like this one, I did a lot of, like I outlined the flower in gold. And then I put the little dots on the butterfly, drew his little antennae in. And the little rhinestone, the little bit bling down there. I like doing like the little sketchy details, like not sketchy, but like sketching details, like the little stitches, or like this. This is a good example. Like the little whimsical lines. You do them in black and white and it ends up looking really cute. That was really cute, isn't it? Okay, so I did those ones. And I also did, let me see if I can move them over without sliding them all off the sheet. I have them sitting here. So these ones are vintage and more normal, quote unquote, like some vintage. Okay, that one's not normal, but I kind of snuck him in there anyway because he goes with the other ones because I used inchies as a background. But like, look what I did to his little nose. It's a little sticker. He's so adorable. So yeah, there's some vintagey ones, like that one. I had just left it plain, but now I just put a little word sticker on it and did some little sketching. Isn't that one cute? It's a shimmery paper. Can't really get it in the light, I guess, but I'm sure it's me. It's me and not the camera. So yeah, and this one's adorable. Isn't that cute? Love this. Yeah, so these are gonna, like, that was a little scrapbooking paper page, and that's all it said was hello. It just had little word bubbles that say hello. So I had to use one of those. I'm gonna try to use them wherever I can since it was a whole 12 by 12 scrapbooking page or whatever. So yeah, see, I can do vintage. It's funny because I do have a good collection of like vintage things, like images and things, and I have quite a good collection of authentic vintage ephemera. But I do prefer color. So without further ado, these are my favorites. I ended up using the stickers. If you watched the last video, the video about the how-to on the ribbons, I kind of had a little impromptu show and tell during the video. I'd say the middle, but it was shortly after beginning. So because my husband came home, he was out shopping. He had gone for groceries at Walmart and he hit their sticker section. And he brought me all these really adorable stickers because he knows the way to my heart. And so I used some of them. I don't know where I'm going to use this, but I love this. Like, I don't know. I'm going to have to like put it on the coffee machine or something. And then a little, I love these stickers, little sheep. He's all sparkly. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, a little bit sparkle. So I put these little like glitter, you can see those, they're little 3D, they're not gems, but they're little cabs. Yeah, there. And look at the little teeny tiny, look how tiny that is. So tiny. So that's kind of cute. And then last but not least, this one didn't fit on the other sheet, but it's kind of not, but it's not cutesy cute, but it's very much me. The rainbow, and it's all bright and stuff. So yeah, there I revisited and ended up kind of finishing things. So I feel much better about it. So if you, if you watched the tutorial and made some tags, however, you know, whichever style, vintage or shabby chic or bright and colorful, send me a message, send me a picture, or send me a link to your video, and yeah, I'll check it out. Great. So thank you for watching this very short video. Don't forget to like it if you liked it, if you like my little tags, and click subscribe. Great. Thank you very much.